looking at me with your eyes, I get a hint of the perfume that I like. Wear it like a disguise, I come around with the perfect alibi.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. If you are new to this channel, karibu, welcome to my channel. If you are returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and I love you so much for always coming back to enjoy my videos. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a day during school holidays of a Kenyan mom, and we will start with doing some folding. I had clothes that I needed to fold, and I want to fold them so that I can clear the seats and make sure that my living room is clean and tidy. Then we will do a little bit of cleaning, and later we will make some chicken pilau, and also we'll make some mandazis, so that the kids will be having something to snack when I'm not around, and we will have something for breakfast for some few days. So guys, let us start by folding, and hope you're going to get some motivation. Hope you're going to enjoy this video, and hope you're going to stick until the end.
Midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey, I'm glued to you, honey. Sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey, I'm glued to you, honey. Hey.
And I was through with folding, so I'm going to keep the clothes to their right places. Then I will come and do a little bit of cleaning to my living room, because my daughter was having some milk in the living room, and I poured the milk on the carpet, so I need to clean the carpet using some detergent and some downy, so that I can remove that smell of the milk, because if I keep it there, I leave it that way, that smell will be bad, and I need to clean it before it dries up. So that is what I'm going to do.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And that is how my living room turned out. The carpet is sparkling clean and I love it that way, and it is smelling so fresh. You can't even hear the smell of the milk. It is smelling so fresh. So my sitting room, I know it is going to stay that clean and that organized like 30 minutes. After that, my kids will be playing all over with everything.
I don't care what happens now, when we go how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow.
I had soaked this kitchen towel using some hot water and some detergent, so I'm going to clean it. After that, I'm going to hang it out because it had some like turmeric color, so I wanted to remove that color and clean it, then leave it clean. And this is another part that I really forget to clean, so I'm going to clean the doors of the under the sink, because when I wash utensils, some water splashed there, so I need to clean it because I really forget that space. I'm not going to clean inside the under the sink because I had done that like few days ago when I was cleaning that. I had cleaned that space, so I'm just going to clean the doors and that will be all, and then I will clean the floor.
You go.
Hope you are still getting some motivation. Hope you are still enjoying this video. And in this channel, what I really most to do is like homemaking. That consists of cleaning, cooking, yeah, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if this is the content you love or you enjoy watching, then you are at the right place. Yeah, just subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that whenever I post a new video, you'll always be updated. So let us clean my floor, my kitchen floor, and I'm only going to use some water and some detergent. That is what I'm going to use.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow.
And I was through with cleaning my kitchen and I really loved how it turned out. I don't have the kitchen mat, so I like using this like a kitchen mat because stepping on that floor, it is so cold. That is why I always use that thing there, but I will buy them when it is the right time. So let us prepare some mandazis, and I'm going to use flour. I'm going to use sugar, salt, cinnamon, cardamom. Yeah, that is all I'm going to use to make my mandazis. Yeah, I'm making these mandazis and I'm going to make like a lot of them so that my kids can be having them. They can be snacking them during the day. Maybe in the morning, in the evening, they can be having these mandazis. So that is what I'm going to prepare, and that is the reason I prepared this mandazis.
Have you made your mind yet? Have you got your heart set? I don't wanna jump half-hearted. Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand.
And that is how messy my sink was when I was kneading. Like flour was everywhere. So I'm going to clean that space. I will wash my hands, clean that space, then give my dough like 30 minutes before I make the mandazis. Then I will be back and make the mandazis. And because I wanted to try and make some chicken pilau, I'm going to boil this chicken. I had some chicken, so I'm going to boil it, yeah. And then before I make my mandazis, my chicken will be boiling. Then later I will cook the pilau. This is the first time I'm going to try it. I've been seeing it. I've tried like the beef, the mutton, but I've never tried the chicken, so I will try it today, and the turnout came out perfectly. I really tried it. So guys will see that. So let us first make the mandazis. Yeah, and I like dusting my surface, then I make my mandazis because I see it making my work easy.
Sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Waiting patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving, but I know you got your reasons too. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. I was so blind, waiting patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving, but I know you got your reasons too. I didn't hear.
And I was through with making my mandazis, and that is how they turned out. They were so soft, so yummy, and really enjoyed these mandazis. Even the kid had started eating these mandazis while they were still hot, yeah, and they really loved them. Like my daughter had eaten two, and he really enjoyed the mandazis. So that is how I packed them. I'm going to store some in the fridge, and some I won't store them because we'll be having them for tomorrow's breakfast. Yeah, that was how I packed them. Nipe mandazi. Nipe mandazi. Haya, kula.
Sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. I was so blind.
My chicken pilau, I just prepared it the way I prepare my beef pilau. I let the onion like brown. I added my chicken and then added my spices. And for the spices, I used some cinnamon. I used some curry powder. I used some turmeric and pilau masala. And then I added my rice. I also used a little bit of like tomato paste. Then that is the broth. I'm adding the broth that I used to boil the chicken. Then I will cover it and give it some minutes. Then I will be back and serve our meal. And we really enjoyed the meal. It turned out so amazing. Being the first time I did it, I tried it, and I love how it turned out. So guys, you just have to believe in yourself and try that thing you have been longing to try, and will make it. Then the other thing I've been wanting to try it and I will come one day to try it is the biryani rice. Yeah, I will gain some courage, watch some videos, then one day I will prepare that rice. So that is how our pilau, chicken pilau, turned out. It was so good, so yummy, and I served it with some kachumbari, and we really enjoyed this meal. If you have stuck to this end, guys, may God bless you for sticking up to this end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share me out if you can, leave a sweet comment for me, and subscribe if you haven't. Hope you got some motivation. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye guys.
In too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the